I'm Dima and welcome to my integration channel. So in this episode, I would like to show you how you can connect your repository. In my case, it's a Gitlab repo with a React app with AWS Amplify. So you go to all applications and create new application, then select your repository, click next. It asks you to authorize AWS Amplify up, and so it's like sync your GitLab and AWS. So moving on, you specify the repository, the branch, set if it is a monorepo or not. In my case, it's not. So go next. Here you set the npm run build command and the output directory. So yeah, in your case, it might be different if you're not using like the same bundler as me. And then some advanced settings like build image, environment variables, live package updates, server-side rendering, deployment. So yeah, I'm skipping it as is. I will add environment variables later. So going next. So here it asks me to review if everything is correct, if all good, save and deploy. So yeah, and now it's creating my application and deploying the application. So it usually takes some time. Now you can see that it is deploying, and yeah, basically what else I would like to do, I would like to add custom domains. So by default you will have URL something like this, but in my case we are using spring.com domain, and I would like to configure it. So I exclude root and I add this part page and box. So yeah, so my website will be available via this URL, and yeah, it will be automatically redeployed once anything changed to the main branch. So yeah, that's it. It will take even more time to configure the domain and activate SSL. So what else? You can specify build settings. So by default, they see which framework or library you're using and try to propose something. The repository, I just using the second version of amplify.yml and I edited. So I have some old dependencies. That's why I'm using like force installation and like old version of Node. So because this is an old repo. So yeah, at this moment, I think everything is ready. Also, you can configure some webhooks that will help you to deploy your application not only when the main branch changes, but per request. When you send a webhook, it will be it can automatically be deployed. So also there is a possibility to turn off this automatic updates. So app settings, branch settings. So here you can see, you can, for example, auto build, you can disable it, and yeah, you can specify some general settings. If needed, delete application, and yeah, see the process of the deployment. So it failed because I've used the previous build configuration without this force flag. So I can go and redeploy this version. Okay, perfect. So it took me like maybe 10 minutes until my application was deployed. Also, there's a little bit less time for the custom domain to be linked. So, and right now we can verify application is available. So this is a UI application that requires a token, but anyway, we can see that it is working. So that's it. Thanks for watching and see you soon.